So in our last lesson, we looked at redrawing a watch, and you see the difference between the first one and the second one. And in this lesson, we're going to look at redrawing this icon, and for this, you're going to use a pen tool from the start to the end. So what I'll do is I'll just zoom in a little bit by holding down the Alt key and scrolling upwards or scrolling downwards to zoom out. Then select the pen tool, and then we'll start from here. So click, then I'll click here and hold to form this curve. Go back over here, click again. So I'm just going to remove the fill. Let's add a stroke. Choose a different color. Reduce its size a little bit. There we go. Then come here. You can see the smart guides showing me that this, if I put it over here, it will align with the intersected point above here. That's why I say the smart guide tool, the smart guide feature is a really helpful feature in Illustrator. So I'll just click, hold, and drag these spurs until I get the desired curve. Come back over here. Click, drag. Come back over here. Let's do this again. And then back to the anchor point, click and drag. Let's form this perfect arc over here. There we go. So what you can do is select the line segment tool, then come from over here, click, drag, and hold till it reaches that. And then we've created this straight line in between. And you can see it goes from the top to the bottom, so it actually looks like a book. So you can just select that. So Control Z. Left with that. I'll select the pen tool again. Let's start from over here. We need a little curve. Perfect. Back to the anchor point. Let's create another curve. There we go. A straight line. And then we need a tiny little curve from over here. Control Z. So I need it to reach all the way over here. There we go. So that looks perfect. Let's move on to the last one. The last one will be pretty much easy because they're all just straight lines. Again, you can see the smart guide showing me where I should put the next anchor point at. And we are done. So I'll just select all of this. Let's just group them. Increase the size of the stroke a little bit. Let's change the color. Much better. Let's move it down here. So I'll scroll out, zoom out a little bit. Now you can see what we had at the beginning and what we created by just using the pen tool. The pen tool is an amazing tool to use as long as you know how to bend it, how to control these curves, how to create perfect curves using it, and to connect it accordingly. Then after you're done, make sure you go to object, then group your objects together. You'll end up with something that looks like this. Now at the end of the lesson, we've attached these two images. I'll just zoom out. So we've attached these two images, and I would like for you to try them out. Try using the pen tool or any other tool that you think will fit well with them, and try recreating these two images. They'll be attached to the project file.